NSUI, the GPCC and Youth Congress have filed cases against the VC HB Menon, registrar and the assistant professor of physics who stole question papers to help his girlfriend top the class, although she was an average student. Though the case was brought to the notice of the VC by other professors, HB Menon took no action and let off the assistant professor with an oral warning, NSUI alleged. Listen to the details.
He has forged the keys and stolen a test paper from physics department, and he has helped a student to top in Goa University. On top of that, he was not caught then. The professors whose keys were stolen by this physics department professor, they became suspicious that why the keys were stolen. And one girl who used to never come to Goa University and who was not very bright student, she suddenly topped in Goa University. And this raised the eyebrows of all the other professors of the department. So they were on very high alert. They were seeing what is going on in Goa University is not right. On the second time, this professor again tries to steal the test papers. He illegally enters the cabin of the other professors who are setting papers in the physics department, and that is when he is caught. When he is caught, the professors go to the Vice Chancellor. They complain saying that so and so unfortunate incident has come to our life. What should we do? The Vice Chancellor summons the accused, the professor who is involved in this wrongdoing of committing theft of the test paper and releasing it to the student so that she scores very high marks. But the Vice Chancellor does not take any action. He just lets go of the professor with a warning. So this means that not only the professor who has committed the crime is responsible and is to be punished, not only the HOD is to be punished, not only the student is to be punished, but also the Vice Chancellor and Registrar have helped to cover up this crime.
Through yes complaint against the Registrar and Vice Chancellor because Registrar and Vice Chancellor are equally involved. जेन्ना तांकां कळ्ळें की चोरी जाला पेपराची, जेन्ना तांकां कळ्ळें की भुरग्या प्रोफेसरान आपल्या गर्लफ्रेंडाक पेपर दिला, तेन्ना तेणें ताबडतोब ती एग्जाम रिकंडक्ट करूंक जाय आसली. वायस चान्सलरान करूंक ना, थंय तेजी मिस्टेक जाली. सेकेंड मिस्टेक, जेन्ना ताका कळ्ळें की थेफ्ट करून हें चोरी करून आपल्या गर्लफ्रेंडाक दिला, तेणें ताबडतोब एज अ हेड ऑफ द इंस्टिट्यूट ताणें पुलीस कंप्लेंट करूंक जाय आसली. आयज ही आमची जबाबदारी न्हू, इट्स द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द हेड ऑफ द इंस्टिट्यूट. ताणें पुलीस कंप्लेंट करूंक जाय आसली, ताणें करूंक ना, म्हणून आमकां आयज करचो पडटा अगेन्स्ट द प्रोफेसर एंड अगेन्स्ट द वायस चान्सलर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ही इज हँड इन ग्लव्स इन दीस इन्सिडंट एंड ही इज डायरेक्टली इनवॉल्व. सो आमी मागता, आमी मेळ्ळा आतां PI आनी आमकां SDPO सरी मेळ्ळो सुदेश सर, ताका एक्सप्लेन केला आमी. सो दे आर ऑल्सो इन फेवर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स इंट्रस्ट, आनी तेंच्यांनी म्हटलां की ताबडतोब आपली